Hi, I'm Dr. Jerry Montagna with healthbylights.com. I want to take a couple minutes and talk about light energy and why I like it and how I use it and why I use it. Back in 2002, 2003, I came across a device called the Warp 10. It was the first device that was certified by the FDA to be able to use the LEDs, and it was it was built for the military. Matter of fact, you'll see different devices that will talk about the fact that the research behind their device is NASA and the military and these type of things. This is the device that did all that research. And then everybody else started coming in and saying, okay, we can make devices. This was a tremendous device. I came across it, like I say, about 2002 and 3, and I started using it in our office. Used it for a year, wouldn't even let my associates have it, and then after a year I decided, well, the darn thing seems to work, so we ordered several of them for the associates. So I started telling my friends about it and spread the word. The company finally, I said, can I get these at a discount? And they made me a distributor, which gave me $50 off, But because of that, then I started telling them they need to get out and promote it and go to some booths at some conventions. So they asked me to come along, and most of the time it was at my expense. I went along because the darn things work, and it's amazing what can be accomplished with them. Eventually, they allowed me to do a website to be able to sell, particularly to people in their homes and use it in their homes. But in 2016, the company, it was a sideline for them, decided they didn't want to put any more money into it. It's heavy, it's awkward to hold, it has 8 batteries in it, it's 1998 technology. So they need to be updated, and they just didn't want to do it. So in September 2016, they stopped making them. I bought the last ones they had and then sold out within a few months. But then I started having people saying, well, what do I do now? What do I do? Because the best thing that we could find better than this was 3 or 4 times, about 3 or 4 times the price. It's like, well, I don't know. So I started researching, thinking that I was just going to drop it. It isn't anything I need to do. But then I came across the Super Pulse laser by Multi-Radiance. Checked it out, spent several months using it, impressed with it. It is the first laser device certified by the FDA to be able to sell and give to the patient to use. And at the time they were charging a quite large price and sell them to the doctors only, and then the doctors would loan them or rent them to the patients. And I said, we need to have these in the individual homes so they can use them for health. Not only just getting rid of pain, but I use it to treat my blood by treating the neck. You can check the other videos in relation to that. But it has 3 different nanometers. One of them is, again, the true laser, but it's safe. You don't have to worry about the lights, in the eyes, this type of thing. You don't have to do special training. It is made for the home. I started negotiating with them, telling them we need to be able to sell this cheaper. You still go to the website, or not the website, but the company, and they're going to charge you the doctor's price. They allowed me to reduce a reduced price. They regulate what price I can sell at, or at least advertise it. So that's what we have on the website. So when you see it, the suggested price and you see our price, that's the difference of what's going on. We're trying to bring it to where you can have these at home, help yourself, don't have to go to the doctor all the time, and I'm one of the doctors that people go to. But if it's a chronic thing going on, or if you just want to treat yourself to be able to stay healthy, again, I treat the blood, it's the anti-inflammatories throughout the body, but I treat, if I get bug bites, if I hurt myself, I'm a strain. I have an ankle that I had 10 screws in a plate to repair where it got shattered. First time I used this, it just reduced the stiffness, discomfort, by over 50%. That's why I do this. That's why we're here. Check out the website. Look at the videos. Read the frequently asked questions. Read the reviews. Check everything out. If you have more questions, contact me. If I don't have the answers, I'm a clinician. My answers are going to be mostly how to use it and why to use it. But if you want the technical answers, I know people that can get those for us. don't hesitate to give us, to contact us and see what's going on. Again, I'm Dr. Jerry Montagna with healthbylights.com. I appreciate you listening, and I hope this helps. Thank you.